Hi everyone, this is Farachi, your IELTS trainer at Agilitic, and today I'm gonna make this video for uh, for new IELTS test takers who have no idea about IELTS. So today let's get stick to this lecture and find out each and everything surrounding IELTS examinations. Focus on your screens. As the heading suggests, everything you need to know about IELTS exam will be discussed in today's session. First of all, let's find out what is meant by IELTS examination. So, point number one says IELTS is a worldwide recognized English language assessment for abroad studies or migration from one country to another country. Secondly, if you want to study abroad, you should enroll in this exam and prepare for this as well. Thirdly, this test proves your English language proficiency if you are migrating to another country where English is the language of communication. So, obviously, this certification is required. The full form of IELTS examination is the International English Language Testing System. It tests your four skills, including listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So, whether you are going for study or for immigration purposes, you need to have this certification. Now, let's find out how many test types are there. So, when it comes to IELTS exam types, there are two types of IELTS examination. First of all, it's IELTS academic, and secondly, it's IELTS general training. Now, if you want to study in an English speaking school or university, IELTS academic test is suitable for you. And if you want to go abroad for work or immigration or training purposes, the IELTS journal training test is suitable for you in this case. Both the tests assess your English language skills. It assesses your reading, listening, writing, and speaking the English language, and both are important. Let's move forward and find out few questions and their answers regarding IELTS examination. Question number one states, why should you take the IELTS exam? Yeah, this is the most common thing that hits anyone's brain ball, that why do I need to have this test? So the answer is, if you are a non-native English speaking person, you should enroll for this exam to study or migrate to the country where English is the native language. Question number two states, where is the IELTS certification recognized? IELTS certificates or marks are recognized in the USA, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and other 140 plus countries. So it is the most widely accepted English proficiency test. Third question is, who conducts the IELTS exam? British Council conducts the IELTS exam. I hope that you people have already known that, but the British Council is the entity who conducts these tests. Then comes the point of IELTS preparation. How can we prepare it? What are the strategies? What are the resources? Let's find out in this slide. If you want to appear for the exam, you should have to prepare well for the exam in order to get a good score. The things you need to do are as follows. First of all, understand the test formats. Like each module has different question types and different formats. First of all, try to understand them. Then develop your English reading skills. Listen to the English language as much as possible. Use the English language when you communicate with others who know English. Improve your English writing skills as well. And if possible, join the IELTS online coaching center or go to any in-person classes surrounding or around your area. Next, we have some points to elaborate importance of IELTS online coaching. First of all, let me tell you that IELTS has 4 modules: reading, speaking, listening, and writing. Experts of IELTS online coaching centers help you prepare well for the exam and enhance your understanding of the module. They improve your confidence level to appear for the exam and get good marks. So they motivate you in order to get whatever your desired score is, and also train you and teach you the strategies. They train you for the exam, teach you in a professional way, and solve your doubts. They teach you from start to end. The meaning is that they follow the order of the learning phase so you can learn easily and step by step. Lastly, you need to prepare yourself for your upcoming IELTS exam. For that, I would recommend you to go for the best coaching centers in person, or you can also go for the online sessions, and you can contact us as well. We are offering physical classes in our Multan branch, as well as we're offering online classes throughout the world. So once you prepare your IELTS exam, next step is to book the test and appear finally in your IELTS examination and get maximum scores. This is all for the day. I hope that you have understood the concepts very well. See you all in the next video.